In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Tarpapel using Canva and DocuSlice, step by step. This is an incredibly useful process if you're looking to make professional and visually appealing posters with ease. Let's dive right in. To start off, open your favorite browser and navigate to your Canva project. Canva is a fantastic tool that's widely used for creating graphics, presentations, and more, thanks to its user-friendly interface and a wide array of templates. If you haven't yet created your design, take a moment to explore Canva's templates to find one that suits your project. Once you're ready, head over to your specific Canva project where you've designed your image. This is the image we'll be transforming into a Tarpapel, which essentially is a large format print used for banners and posters often seen at events, campaigns, or community announcements. With your project open, the next key step is to download the image you want to create into a Tarpapel. Ensure that you select the highest resolution available, as the quality of the final output will significantly depend on this initial download. High-resolution images will offer greater clarity and detail once they are enlarged, a crucial component for any effective Tarpapel. Next, direct your attention to a website known as DocuSlice. This is where the magic happens in turning your image into that perfect Tarpapel. On your browser, type in docuslice.com and hit enter. Once the page loads, navigate to the Upload button. It's a straightforward process. Just click to upload the image you previously downloaded from Canva. DocuSlice excels in simplifying what could be a complicated task. Once your image is uploaded, it automatically processes the image to create a Tarpapel. The tool slices your image in a way that allows for it to be printed on regular-size paper, which you can then assemble into one large cohesive poster. This method is incredible because it allows anyone to produce large-scale prints without needing access to oversized printers. After a moment of processing, DocuSlice will guide you through the final step, downloading the sliced image files. These files are typically formatted for you to print out and piece together easily. Make sure to prepare enough printing paper and check your printer settings to maintain the original colors and clarity. And that's pretty much it. You're done. With these steps, you've now learned how to transform your Canva designs into stunning, large-format Tarpapel with the help of DocuSlice. I hope you find this method as convenient and effective as I do. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!